Hey guys, it's Miles Seegers from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Hope you guys are doing well. Listen, I'm so excited, and I made a very smart decision just a few weeks ago. I joined the Finish Line Network, and I'm so excited, even though I came in late. See, they were in pre-launch. Even though I came in late to the Finish Line Network, I jumped in feet first, got started, and I've made over $2,000 in really just a couple of days, guys. Seriously. You know, it's late at night when I'm shooting this video. I'm just so excited. I wanted to share this with you. If you're thinking about becoming a member of the Finish Line Network, you got to do it. Listen, I'm going to show you my computer so you can see for yourself why I'm excited. Just a couple of days earned over $2,000. So let me turn that around, guys, and I hope you can see that. You know, my camera work is not the greatest, so you can see here Miles Seegers. I received a check on the 15th. I received a check on the 12th. You add those two bad boys up, that's around a little over $2,000, guys. So listen, if you're thinking about joining the Finish Line Network, stop thinking, do it now, take action, and I'll see you at the top. Take care, guys.